Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are opening Little Genies, Teenage Mutant
Ninja Turtles,
and Animal Jam.
Alright, so what are we doing first?
Let's open up Mini Genies.
Alright, what is it?
Okay. Wow. I think I got Shimmer.
I think you got the mystery. Because that one doesn't look like it was on the thing at all. Let's look. Yay! You got the mystery.
Guys, look, I got the mystery. The first try.
Awesome.
I didn't get Shimmer or Shine or those two. I got this one. I heard her name is Sophie, but we don't know that for sure. Let's put her to the side.
Now let's open Animal Jam. So, and let's tear the plastic off. All right, now let's open it. Ugh, this one's a tough one. Oh, okay. Our little pet is right there. Let's grab our shiny copper looking pet. And here's our little cutie. And this looks like it is a cute little cat. And it has a hole so that you can put its little decoration on. Wow, it's quite shiny. Here's its decoration. Wow, it's a seashell with a pearl inside. Now, let's move on.
Alright, now we have Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Last time I got the bug dude. I'm hoping for something different this time. Let's see, we ready to do it?
Yes.
Let's see, it's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Series 4 Mega Constructs. Alright.
Let's hope it's not a duplicate. Yay! It's not a duplicate.
Cool. Let's see. All this.
You got the space guy. You got a... You got a rare.
That's what we think we have. Let's see. We got the torso here. Oh, here. Torso here. Here's the head. Put the head on. Looks like he's got legs over here. This leg goes here. Oh. Then, what is this?
I think it's supposed to go right here.
Oh, you know what? I think that's supposed to go on before his head goes on. There we go. Like that. And then like that.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
You can see if that's correct on the paper.
Oh, there's his helmet. His helmet seems to snap on. Just like that. I'm not sure what that is. Got his stand, his feet. Got some nunchucks, space nunchucks. And what is... That's his mask. Okay, that's his mask. So we got him already. And we put his mask on him. Alright, got his mask on. Got his nunchucks right there. Space nunchucks.
This guy.
And there he is. Whoa! Space Ninja Turtle! What is it, Raphael? I believe it's a Raphael. Wow.
It's Michelangelo.
That's Michelangelo. Space Turtle! It's Michelangelo. Pretty cool. Alright, that's awesome. Alright, now there's all three of them lined up from our edition of blind bags this time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and see y'all next time. Bye, guys.
Bye. My little guy had to eat.